Welcome back to my channel, The Coin Spot. Today is best top 3 coins, one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. Top 1, the 2017 Austria 20 euro cent coin, including its design, specifications, background, usage, and interesting facts. This long-form information is suitable for collectors, historians, or enthusiasts interested in numismatics or European coinage. 2017 Austria 20 euro cent coin. Full details. The 2017 Austria 20 euro cent coin is part of the euro currency system, which Austria adopted on January 1, 2002, replacing the Austrian shilling. As a member of the Eurozone, Austria issues its own national side of the euro coins, while the common reverse side is used throughout all Eurozone countries. The 20-cent coin is one of the mid-range denominations in the euro system, and it plays a crucial role in daily transactions. Although it's a relatively small value coin, it holds historical and artistic significance thanks to its national design and symbolic imagery. Design features obverse, national side. The obverse side of the Austrian 20-cent coin in 2017 features a detailed representation of the Belvedere Palace, one of Austria's most iconic Baroque landmarks located in Vienna. The palace was constructed in the early 18th century by Prince Eugene of Savoy, and today it serves as a museum housing a rich collection of Austrian art, including works by Gustav Klimt. The depiction of the Belvedere Palace symbolizes Austria's commitment to culture, history, and European heritage. The design was created by Joseph Kaiser, an Austrian artist and sculptor. The image is framed by the 12 stars of the European Union, arranged in a circle to represent unity and harmony among the member states. Beneath the palace, the year of issue 2017 is clearly inscribed, along with the word Sterich, which is the German name for Austria reverse, common side. The reverse side of the coin is common to all 20-cent euro coins across the Eurozone. It features a map of Europe, which was updated slightly in 2007 to show the EU as a single, unified entity rather than individual member states. The map sits within the background of horizontal lines that extend outward from a central globe, suggesting the euro's global reach. The denomination 20 euro cent is prominently displayed. This side was designed by Luc Louix, a Belgian artist, whose initials LL can be found near the map if inspected closely. Edge and shape. One of the distinguishing features of the 20 euro cent coin is its Spanish flower shape, a unique, 7-sided smooth curve that alternates concave and convex edges. This shape is not only tactile but also helps visually impaired individuals distinguish it from other coins. The edge is smooth, unlike many other coins with reeded or milled edges. Specifications. Country of issue: Austria. Year: 2017. Face value: 20 euro cent. Currency system: euro. Composition: Nordic gold, 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, 1% tin. Diameter: 22.25 mm. Thickness: 2.14 mm. Weight: 5.74 grams. Edge: smooth, with the Spanish flower shape. Mint: Austrian mint, Munz Österreich, Vienna mintage. Commonly circulated. Background and significance: Austria, as a long-standing member of the European Union and part of the Eurozone, introduced the euro as its official currency to foster closer economic integration with other European nations. The coins were first issued in 2002, although minting began earlier in preparation for the transition. Austria chose to feature culturally and historically significant images on its national sides, with designs grouped by coin value. Range 1, 2, and 5-cent coins feature alpine flowers. 10, 20, and 50-cent coins feature landmarks and architectural heritage. 1 euro and 2 euros coins feature famous Austrians. The 20-cent coin, featuring the Belvedere Palace, thus represents the middle tier of this artistic and thematic grouping, celebrating Austria's cultural heritage and contribution to European art and history. Usage and circulation: the 20 euro cent coin is widely used across Austria and the entire Eurozone for everyday transactions. It's commonly used in vending machines, parking meters, public transportation, and small retail transactions. Being part of the euro system, this coin is legal tender in all Eurozone countries, meaning it can be used for payments throughout the EU, not just in Austria. Despite its relatively low face value, coins like the 20 cent play a crucial role in physical commerce. Due to the increasing trend of digital payments, the usage of coins has slightly declined, but they remain an essential part of the monetary system, especially in cash-based economies and rural areas. Collector value and interest: the 2017 Austrian 20-cent coin, being a standard circulation coin, does not have high numismatic value in used condition. However, uncirculated, UNC, or proof quality examples, especially those from official mint sets, may carry a small premium among collectors. The coin is also included in various Euro starter kits, mint rolls, and coin folders collected by enthusiasts of European currency collectors often seek year-by-year issues of Euro coins from different countries to complete their sets. The Austria 20-cent coin is especially attractive due to its elegant design and strong national symbolism. The Austrian mint is also known for high-quality coinage and craftsmanship, making their Euro coins sought after even among casual collectors. Top 2. The 2008 Cyprus 20 euro cent coin represents a significant moment in both the monetary and political history of Cyprus, as it marked the country's official entry into the Eurozone. Cyprus adopted the euro as its official currency on January 1, 2008, replacing the Cypriot pound, CYP. The changeover was part of a broader integration of the country into the European Union following its accession in 2004. The 20-cent coin, as part of the broader euro currency system, is one of the intermediate denominations and plays a crucial role in daily financial transactions. But beyond its monetary value, the coin carries symbolic and cultural significance that reflects Cyprus's unique identity and its place within the European family design features obverse. National side. The national side of the 2008 Cyprus 20 euro cent coin features the image of a Kyrenia ship, a prominent symbol of Cyprus's long and rich maritime history. The Kyrenia ship is a 4th century BC Greek merchant vessel that was discovered off the coast of Kyrenia, a town located in the northern part of the island. The ship is one of the oldest well-preserved vessels from antiquity ever found and is a treasured archaeological artifact. Its depiction on the coin signifies Cyprus's ancient seafaring heritage, its role as a center of trade and cultural exchange in the eastern Mediterranean, and the resilience of its people throughout history. Above the ship, the word, Greek for Cyprus, is inscribed on the left side, and Kibris, Turkish for Cyprus, appears on the right, reflecting the bilingual nature of the island and acknowledging both the Greek and Turkish communities. Beneath the ship is the year of minting, 2008. Surrounding the design are the 12 stars of the European Union, symbolizing unity, solidarity, and harmony among the peoples of Europe. The national design was created by Tatiana Soteropoulos, a Greek sculptor and engraver who also designed the 10 and 50-cent Cypriot euro coins, maintaining a consistent artistic style across these denominations. Reverse, common side. The reverse side of the 2008 Cyprus 20-cent coin is the standard common side used by all Eurozone countries. This side, designed by Luc Louix of the Royal Belgian Mint, features a map of Europe that emphasizes the unity of the European continent. The design was updated in 2007 to reflect an enlarged European Union, with the map now extending eastward to include newer member states like Cyprus. The globe design is surrounded by 6 vertical lines, each ending in a star, symbolizing the flag of the EU. The value of the coin 20 euro cent is prominently displayed in large numerals and text edge and shape like all 20 euro cent coins. The Cypriot version features a distinctive Spanish flower shape, consisting of 7 smooth indentations, giving it a unique tactile profile. This design helps visually impaired users distinguish it from other coins. The edge itself is smooth, without any inscription or reading. Technical specifications. Country: Cyprus. Year of issue: 2008. Denomination: 20 euro cent. Currency system: Euro minting authority, mainly minted by European mints on contract, e.g., Mint of Finland or others depending on the year. Diameter: 22.25 mm. Thickness: 2.14 mm. Weight: 5.74 grams. Composition: Nordic gold, an alloy made of 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. Edge: smooth with the Spanish flower shape. Mintage: 2008. Estimated several million coins. Exact figures depend on mint records. Background and historical context: the introduction of the euro in Cyprus in 2008 was a historic event. As a divided island with complex political circumstances, especially following the 1974 Turkish invasion and the subsequent division between the Greek Cypriot South and Turkish Cypriot North, the adoption of a common European currency was a unifying economic measure for the Republic of Cyprus. However, the euro is only used in the internationally recognized southern part of Cyprus controlled by the Republic of Cyprus. The Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus, recognized only by Turkey, does not use the euro officially. Cyprus selected 3 different designs for its national euro coin series, based on denomination groupings. 1, 2, and 5 cent coins feature the mouflon, a wild sheep native to Cyprus. 10, 20, and 50 cent coins feature the Kyrenia ship. 1 euro and 2 euros coins depict the idol of Pomos, a prehistoric fertility figure. The 20 cent coin, with the Kyrenia ship, thus reflects the nation's maritime roots and its historical openness to trade and external influences from the Greek, Roman, Byzantine, Venetian, and Ottoman periods circulation and usage. In 2008, as Cyprus officially transitioned to the euro, millions of new coins were distributed to banks, businesses, and the public. The 20-cent coin became an everyday tool for transactions ranging from vending machines to small retail purchases. As a mid-value coin, it is frequently used but also durable, thanks to its Nordic gold alloy, which resists tarnishing, and where coins minted in 2008 for Cyprus were primarily struck in foreign mints on behalf of the Cypriot government, since Cyprus lacks its own national mint. This is a common practice among smaller European states. The Mint of Finland, among others, played a key role in producing the early euro coinage for Cyprus collector interest and value for most general purposes. The 2008 Cyprus 20 euro cent coin is a standard circulation coin with low collector value in used, circulated, condition generally equivalent to its face value. However, coins in uncirculated, UNC, or proof condition, especially those included in official mint sets, can attract interest from collectors of euro coins or those focusing on first-year issues from new Eurozone members. As the first year of euro coin issuance for Cyprus, 2008 coins hold more historical value than those minted in subsequent years. Additionally, since Cyprus is one of the smaller EU economies, its coinage is produced in lower quantities compared to countries like Germany, France, or Italy, adding a level of relative scarcity for completists assembling full Eurozone sets. Special coin collectors may look for mint condition coins from 2008 starter kits, brilliant uncirculated or proof sets issued by the Central Bank of Cyprus, error coins, if any exist from 2008 batches. Conclusion: the 2008 Cyprus 20 euro cent coin is not just a functional piece of currency but a small artifact representing a critical moment in Cyprus's modern history, its integration into the European Union's economic framework. Through the elegant and historically significant depiction of the Coine ship, the coin serves as a reminder of the island's enduring maritime legacy and its strategic position at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa. While it is a common coin in circulation, especially within Cyprus, its inaugural year of issue, symbolic design, and cultural importance make it a meaningful addition to any euro coin collection or a thoughtful keepsake for those with ties to the island nation. Top 3. The 1999 Finland 20 euro cent coin is part of the initial series of euro coins issued by Finland upon its entry into the Eurozone. Although euro coins and banknotes only officially entered circulation on January 1, 2002, Finland, along with 10 other EU member states, began minting euro coins as early as 1999 in preparation for the transition. These early issues were included in collector sets, starter kits, and were later released into general circulation in 2002. As such, the 1999 Finnish 20-cent coin marks the beginning of a new monetary era in Finland, replacing the Finnish markka and symbolizing Finland's integration into the European Monetary Union. Design overview. Obverse, national side. The national side of the 1999 Finland 20 euro cent coin features a powerful and evocative image of the heraldic lion of Finland, wielding a sword. This iconic motif is derived from the Finnish coat of arms, a centuries-old symbol associated with Finnish sovereignty, strength, and national identity. The lion is shown rearing up on its hind legs, a sword in its right forepaw and its left foreleg ending in an armored gauntlet crushing a saber. This fierce image has long been a symbol of Finnish resistance, independence, and pride. Especially during times of foreign rule, the heraldic lion design was adapted for the euro coinage by Heikki Haiveoja, a renowned Finnish sculptor and designer. His interpretation stays true to Finland's historical aesthetic while ensuring compatibility with the modern euro coin format. Surrounding the lion are the 12 stars of the European Union, arranged in a circular pattern to symbolize unity among the EU member states. The minting year, 1999, is placed on the right side of the lion, while the national mint mark, a small letter S, for the Mint of Finland, or Suomen rahapeja, appears subtly on the left reverse, common side. The reverse side of the coin features the standard common design used across all Eurozone 20-cent coins, created by Luc Luix, a designer from the Royal Belgian Mint. This design includes a map of Europe showing the EU as a unified region, overlaid with 6 vertical lines emanating from the right and ending in 12 stars. These stars mirror the EU flag and signify unity, solidarity, and harmony among the peoples of Europe. The denomination is inscribed in a clear and bold font as 20 euro cent, with the euro cent text smaller and centered under the numeral 20. The designer's initials, LL, can be found at the bottom right of the globe in very small text edge and shape. One of the distinguishing features of all 20 euro cent coins is the unique Spanish flower shape, a scalloped edge with 7 indentations, alternating between concave and convex arcs. This distinct shape not only gives the coin a tactile advantage, useful for the visually impaired, but also sets it apart from other euro denominations. The edge is smooth, without any lettering or milling. Technical specifications. Issuing country: Finland. Year of issue: 1999, pre-euro circulation, entered public use in 2002, face value: 20 euro cent. Currency: Euro mint, Mint of Finland, Suomen rahapaja, marked wit. Designer: reverse Luke-Luix. Diameter: 22.25 mm. Thickness: 2.14 mm. Weight: 5.74 grams. Composition: Nordic gold, 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, 1% tin. Edge: smooth, 7-sided, Spanish flower shape. Mintage: lower than later. Years: mostly for collector sets and starter kits. Historical and political context: Finland was one of the first countries to join the Eurozone, adopting the euro as a non-cash currency in 1999 and preparing coins and banknotes for the official cash changeover in 2002. The Finnish euro coinage embodies both the country's modern European identity and its historic struggle for independence. The heraldic lion design on the 20-cent coin is particularly symbolic, representing Finland's resistance against foreign dominance, especially from Sweden and Russia in its earlier history. Interestingly, Finland chose a single design for all its lower denomination coins, 1 cent to 50 cent, in contrast to other Eurozone countries that often use different images for different values. This unified lion design reinforces national identity and simplifies production. The choice to emphasize the national coat of arms on all these denominations highlights the pride Finland places on its sovereignty and traditions, even as it embraces a common European currency usage and circulation. Although dated 1999, these coins were not released into general circulation until 2002. The 1999 dated 20-cent coins were primarily included in collector mint sets, euro starter kits, and presentation packs aimed at educating the public and collectors in anticipation of the euro's physical launch. As a result, many of these coins from 1999 remained in near-mint condition for some time today. The 20 euro cent coin is widely used across Finland and the entire Eurozone for mid-value transactions. Its use is common in vending machines, parking meters, public transport ticketing, and small-scale commerce. However, due to the rise of digital payments in Finland, one of the most cashless societies in the EU, the physical use of coins has gradually declined over the years. Collector interest and value. The 1999 Finland 20 euro cent coin holds particular interest for coin collectors due to its first year of issue status. While not rare in the strictest sense, it is more sought after than coins from later years, especially in uncirculated, UNC, or proof condition. Key points of collector interest include: historical significance. First year of euro coinage for Finland. Limited circulation. 1,999 coins were mostly issued in sets and not for general circulation until 2002. Design continuity. The heraldic lion design is uniquely consistent across Finnish coins from 1 cent to 50 cent condition. Collector sets often include pristine examples in circulated condition. The coin is generally only worth its face value, 20 euro cents, though numismatic dealers may sell uncirculated versions for 1 to 3 euros, and proof versions for more depending on packaging and presentation. Full 1999 Finnish euro coin sets including all denominations can sell for much higher depending on condition and demand. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe on my channel for more videos.